Hi, Adam here from AirTouch. Are you in Brisbane this Friday to Sunday? Then come down to the Home Show at the Brisbane Convention Centre and check out Australia's smartest air conditioning controller at stand D31, the AirTouch 5. AirTouch 5 is a must-see for anyone with a ducted reverse cycle air conditioning system. Meet our awesome team and explore our stunning new user interface. Learn how you can achieve more comfort, control, and energy savings by zoning your ducted reverse cycle system. Come and try out our brand new app and ask about our geofencing feature, which can automatically turn your air conditioning on for you as you're coming home or off again as you're leaving. It's a great energy saver and it makes sure that you're always going to come home to a comfortable house. With our great interface, we've made the day-to-day things really simple. Ask about how to set your timer effortlessly, and also ask about our weather adaptation feature, which can automatically adjust your air conditioning with the weather. How cool is that? And by the way, if you're building a house, you need to ask about AirTouch's themes feature. We're the only smart air conditioning controller out there with themes, and it lets you customize the design of the controller to suit your beautiful home's decor. So AirTouch is just going to fit right in your new home. airtouch.net.au, stand D31 at the Brisbane Home Show this Friday to Sunday.